So to do this one, what we're going to do is we are going to take some measurements from the scales. If you look at the bottom here, we always read from the bottom here. That's kind of not quite on the mark. So this is going to be 27, and then you've got point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But that's halfway between 7 and 8, so it's going to be 5. So this volume here is 27.75. And if we come over to this side, again, we've got a volume that's halfway, so it's not quite reached the next marker. And again, 1.1, 2, 3, there's 4. So this volume here is going to be 1.45. So what I need to do, once I've got the measurements, is take them away from each other. So 27.75, take away 1.45, and that's going to give me an answer of 26.30. Make sure it says suitable number of decimal places. That's got to be 2, because all my readings from Librette are to 2 decimal places as well. The next bit is some results from the titration, and the question wants me to identify the results to be used to calculate the mean volume. So remember, to be including this calculation, they have to be, normally you say they're within 0.10 centimeters cubed of each other. So if we have a look at this, the rough one you never use, so we're going to ignore the rough one. This one and this one are both within 0.1 of each other. That one's not. So the two I would use are the TIC2 in order to do the calculation. Next question, we're given a method here, and it wants us to improve. I'll give 3 ways to improve the method for the titration. So the first one, the student hasn't talked about rinse the burette with the chemical to be used. You always rinse it through, get rid of anything that shouldn't be there, and just get it ready to go. The second thing is, if you look here, they haven't got the jet filled. So the second thing you would do is make sure fill the jet. So the end beyond the little turner is the jet. Other things they haven't talked about is they're saying at the beginning here, if we zoom in, they've actually put more of the solution in there than you can read on the scale. So what we did when we did this in class is do not overfill the burette. The volume must be on the scale. So there's 3 things we do to improve the experiment.